it's Munchie Munchkin, and welcome to another episode of Munching Blindly Outdoors. So I went to the mall, did some shopping, and decided to try some new things there at my mall, possibly at your mall too. I got some pretzel nuggets from Auntie Anne's, their pumpkin spice flavor. And then I got some cookies from Great American Cookie Company. They're pumpkin. I think they're pumpkin spice. Pumpkin something. So I got those. And then with the Auntie Anne's, I got sweet glaze and caramel. They asked me if I wanted either. I said, let's go with both. I never had their sauces except for the cheese, so kind of interesting. And of course, I'm drinking Dr. Pepper. So, I guess I'm going to go with the nuggets first, since they're right here. So, might as well. Okay. I'm only saying this with the Auntie Anne's. When I went to order them, all they did was took one of the pretzel nuggets that they already had out and just rolled it around in the sugar. So it's like there's nothing special about the nuggets themselves. It's just the sugar stuff that they put on. I got a hint of probably cinnamon. Possibly nutmeg. And sugar. There's really nothing terribly special with these. I'm gonna try with the sweet glaze. And please don't make a mess. The sweet glaze reminds me. The smell of them smell exactly like the Dunkaroos. I'm old. Does it even make Dunkaroos anymore? Okay, I guess they still do. Let's see how having the glaze tastes. I'm gonna say that the sweet glaze just kills whatever flavor this is. So that doesn't help. The caramel's probably gonna do the same thing. It's might have been better if the breading itself had a flavor to it besides just normal pretzel. Try and look the sugar off so I can actually see if there's a taste of the sugar. To me, it pretty much tastes like cinnamon and sugar. I don't really taste pumpkin, or what's considered pumpkin, with flavor stuff. I mean, pretty much it's nothing really special. I mean, I guess it has the proper colors for what they're going for, but personally, I don't taste it. Let's see. Damn it. Okay, let's see if I can get a full cookie out of here. Okay, there we go. Cookie. Cookie. Ah, Jesus. I will say this. They must be really using, like, the canned pumpkin stuff to make their cookies, because it's very loose and flimsy. Oh. That's a good cookie. Tell you my opinion on this in a minute. Let me finish this cookie first, because this is just falling apart. Maybe I won't fall apart as easily now. Okay. So, the cookie's really good. Oh, excuse me. They do have little pieces of, white chocolate in them. Which I think works a lot better than, like, regular, milk chocolate or dark chocolate chips. Semi-sweet, whatever. The cookie, I mean, it's not wet, per se. It's creamy. So it's not a very hard cookie. It's really soft. And you do taste the pumpkin. And the nutmeg and stuff that they use with pumpkin. It's not really strong. So that's good for people that are like, oh, I don't, that, especially for people that are pretty sensitive to, different tastes. Stuff that they're not used to. Like me, I don't normally eat pumpkin, so, trying to figure out the right word I want to use to describe it. Mellow? Like, yeah, I guess that could work. A mellow pumpkin flavor. It's not too strong, it's not too light. Has a decent balance to it. Also, they put powdered sugar on top of it, so that, hey, I like that. and try to finish off my bottle. And that way I can get rid of it. Let's see. Might eat a little bit more cookie in a minute. Yeah, drink a little bit more of my pop. I should have ordered my pop without ice. Maybe I'll try one more of the pretzels. See one that has a lot of stuff on top of it. I guess they like overload it. You might get a little bit of a pumpkin taste, but overall, you don't. So these are good. I'm not gonna attempt to pull a cookie out again because it just crumbles apart, and I don't need to deal with that in the car. And these are a waste of money. I mean, like I said, all it is the regular nuggets that they have, and they just roll it around in cinnamon sugar and supposedly some kind of pumpkin spicy stuff. I mean, I guess that's what they do for the regular sugar ones, but I don't know, I kind of was hoping that the nuggets themselves were going to be flavored, because when I asked them, last time I came to the mall, how long they were going to have them for, and she said, well, until they run out, and then since they didn't seem to be popular, they were going to be there for a while. Well, I kind of understand why now. If this was like, again, flavored pretzel breading, I can see it, possibly some people trying it more, but personally, I just think it was a waste of money. I don't think it was any more expensive than the regular nuggets anyways. I'm not sure. But I think that's my verdict for today. And I think I'm gonna call it quits. Though I do want to ask you guys, with me sitting in the back seat instead of the passenger seat, what you guys think of the car videos, because if this isn't a good setup to you guys, just let me know and I'll go back to the passenger seat and do my videos that way, because I don't know how the lighting is because how my camera's set up right now, and also, I mean, since you guys are the ones watching it, I need to know if you guys are okay with if the lighting goes bad at some point or not too. There is one thing that I just remembered. I'm getting a clip-on microphone, which works with the iPhone. That'll help with the car videos some. I might test out using it for at-home use too. I don't know yet. I'll have to test it out and see if it does anything or adds anything to those. But yeah, I'll be testing that out soon. I think I'm supposed to get that sometime this week. So hopefully next car video I do, I'll have that to use. But yeah, let me know how the placement of where I'm at is compared to the old car videos. I think I have a couple of those on YouTube, maybe one at least. But I'm starting to ramble, so I'm gonna end this for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope I see you guys soon. Bye. These are a waste of money.
Hey, guys.
Thanks for watching me try these limited edition mall snacks. Auntie Anne's, you should be ashamed of yourself. Hide in the corner and think about what you've done. Great American Cookie Company, though. You guys made a damn fine pumpkin cookie. I'm in love with this cookie. Like romantically. If you awesome watchers haven't yet, please like my video and drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more of me. Stay tuned, there's only a few more fall episodes left.
Bye, guys.